Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Welcome back to Legend YouTuber. Today we're gonna be seeing what's inside a LED shoe remote. So let's get started with that. So here is our remote. I'm gonna crack it open with this hammer.
Ready?
Yep.
Put your hand.
Hit. Okay. We got it open. Jeez. Wow. No, I'm gonna get like shocked. Okay, guys. So, so there's a sticky part. This is sticky. I don't know what the heck this is. What the heck this is? What is? This is. Oh, guys, I found the battery. I think. Not sure, but yeah. Ah, gosh, it's sharp. And yeah, this is sticky. That's the front of it. So yeah, that's the end of the video. If you like this video and you're new, subscribe down below. If you're not new, smash the like button. Comment your idea of what I should do, what my goals should be for the summer. So yeah, I will see you for the next video. Peace.